I'm so excited for this one. Woo! Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm so excited. What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today for you guys, wow, I can't even hear myself because of this jumper. Guys, try let me know if you like this jumper. Yeah, I might actually start doing a merch with this jumper, but I don't know. It's very warm. It's nice. Anyway, like I said, I'm very excited for this one because right now, as you can see, I have my background light. I don't know what they call that light, but yeah, I got my background light, I got my hair light behind me as well. But obviously this space over here is a little bit bland. I got my curtains here, but I have something planned for this section. So I have like a board. I'm gonna board out the window, so it's the same color. And also I'm gonna need some lights for that, just to light up this area because I don't want it to be bland. Because I got this like beaming out the purple light. But yeah, this is what I've got. I've got the philipshue white and black color. No, it's actually compact. Wait, what's this even called? I don't even know. Huh? Yeah, I don't even know what this is called. But yeah, this is a light bar. Yeah, they call it a light bar actually. A light bar from philipshue. And yeah, I've got pretty much philipshue technology in my studio at the moment. I've got one in that light. I've got one up there as well for my bulb. And yeah, that's pretty much. I've got one more somewhere. I don't know where it is. But yeah, this is from philipshue, and this should lighten this area of my studio. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna unbox this thing, see what it is, see what it looks like. And yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm doing my normal videos I normally do on this channel, which is unboxings. But yeah, let's have a look at some specs. So this is the white and color ambience. So you get the warm color to the cool daylight color, and also you get 16 million other colors in this bad boy. So yeah, colors for days. I can have different colors changing, blah blah blah, doing what it wants. But yeah, this is compact design, full light experience. So I hope this is a really bright light. So yeah, I hope so. It comes in 1 pack and 2 pack. So this is the 2 pack. So yeah, it signs with light, with video and game and music, compact and versatile. Yeah, pretty much it's a light bar. But yeah, as you can see in the pictures here, it can clearly show that there's a lot of you can light it in any scenario that you want. But yeah, very cool. And also this works with the philipshue bridge, so you need the actual philipshue bridge to be able to work this and let it connect to your phone and connect to your tablet or whatever you're using to do it. Anyway, so 2 times 330 lumens. So no, 530 lumens at the bottom there. It says that there are 530 lumens for each of the light bars, so it's going to be very bright. 6.6 watts, which is going to be pretty damn cool. Anyway, let's get into this box. Have a little boxing experience for you guys. Oh, okay. We've got some more information. The way to set it up, how to complete the sign for the entertainment setup, install Hue app, enjoy entertainment. Just gives you a little bit of information there on how to get everything sorted and everything running. So yeah, cracking this box open, wow. Small and compact and very versatile is very true, because yeah, wow, look at that. Anyway, before we get onto that, let's have a look at it. So we have some information. Obviously we saw that on the box at the back there on how to install it and everything you need to know. And then we have, what's this? This is okay. This is how to, this is nice. Oh wow, you can put it up on the TV. That is so cool. Obviously, I've got LEDs in the TVs on the TV downstairs, so it won't be needing this. But it gives you like a little thing there to tell you how to obviously connect it onto the TV and put it to the back of the TV, so you can have that nice light in the back of the TV, which is always nice. But yeah, let's see what we got here. If I can get into the box. Oh, there we go. One light, beautiful. You got that nice little branding up there, Philips, which is pretty nice. And the back has this nice rubber feeling to it, so you're not going to be scratching your TV if you do attempt to put this on the back of your TV. Got that nice soft rubber feeling, so you keep your TV protected. And then we have the second one over here. How are you supposed to get into this freaking boxes? Oh, there we go. What we got here? Ooh. Oh, we've got some more informations over there. Cool. Anyway. How do you get in? Oh, there we go. Oh. Hey. We're onto something. We're onto something. Okay. So you got your little things that goes on the back, just like that, so you can put it onto the back of the TV. Got the second one as well. What else have we got in the box? How are you supposed to get into this box? Well, that's the second light there. Nice, and then we've got some wrench and some screws in here and some 3M tape as well if you want to stick it anywhere or anything like that. As you can see, got the little wrench in there as well, right there. And then we got the stands here as well. So this is what you use and stand it. So you use the screws. You can either have it sitting this way, vertical, or you can have it sitting horizontal this way, which is pretty cool. But depending on how obviously I'm going to set the lights up, it's either going to go vertical or horizontally, so I'm not too sure. And then in here we have a little bit more. Oh, we have plugs to actually connect this bad boy up, which is pretty cool. And then we have the power output. So obviously we're in the UK, so I'm going to use the UK plug. So just slide that bad boy in and boom, you're ready to go. You can connect up to 3. Wow, you can connect up to 3. We've got only 2 here, so just 2. So you can connect up to 3 of these lights in. As you can see, we've got the 3 ports there. You can connect up to 3 lights with 1 bridge, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's everything in the box. But yeah, pretty damn cool. It's nice and small, but very, very powerful, which is what I like to see. But yeah, guys, anyway, that's been the unboxing of the philipshue light bars. So anyway, hopefully I put these on, they're bright enough to actually illuminate my whole background, which is going to be pretty damn cool. But yeah, that's been the video. It's been your boy, Tech Boss, and yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe, why not? It's free. And yeah, also thank you guys for the support and everything like that. It means so much to me. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, like, dislike, comment down below. Tell me if you enjoyed the video, and also tell me why you disliked the video as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.